Wirth. I am from Fraunhofer Institute for Manufacturing Technology and Advanced Materials in Bremen. I work at Fraunhofer Institute as a project manager in the field of functional printing and smart systems. And in Morpho project, my main activities are in work package 4, innovative manufacturing, dealing with sensor integration in the parts and components, for example for the FOD panel from Safran. And to integrate the sensors, we use different technology. One approach is fiber optics to integrate them, and the other thing is printed sensors, where we use different kind of printing technologies like dispensing technologies, aerosol jet printing, to integrate different kind of sensors in the components to detect mechanical stresses with strain gauges or with piezoelectric sensors and also temperature sensors to measure temperatures. It is innovative that the sensors can directly integrate it in the part and do not influence the general properties of the part, which is very important, especially for aerospace applications.